Hey guys, it's Mark. Welcome to another episode here at Big Man in the Woods. Now I'm here on Cub Camp and it's very windy, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me, hence my hair. I want to show you this really cool fire lighting device that Mel from Wildly Curious UK showed and shared on Instagram, and a fellow scout leader as well. And I thought, you know what, let's make one and let's see if it's as good as what she says. So made up with some household items, maybe a few shed items. So what I did, I made it from a chopping board, a bit of scrap wood I had in the garden, and a rolling pin. Went to the shed and I found a hacksaw. Okay, I had to buy the extra long fire steel, but that's all I had to purchase. And it's really simple, even with a few DIY skills like myself. Just need a chop saw, make that into an angle, screw in the fire steel, kind of Bob's your uncle. It's as easy as what it looks. It's nothing over engineered, it's nothing over complicated. And I thought it looks so simple, it's never gonna work. And here's Thomas, my son, who's now a beaver, using it for the first time. As you can see, honestly, he used it for the first time, picked it up, got a spark, and got that cotton wool lit within the first attempt. The second attempt was even better. It looks too simple to be good, and try it yourself. Sometimes the most simplest things are the most easiest things, and we get a better, I don't know whatever the word is I'm trying to say, but it's easy, it's basic, it's just as effective as the fire sticks that I made, and you can use those as another base. So the fire steel sticks go on the end of a broomstick or in the hazel stick or whatever you've got it. I put it on the broomstick because I like to upcycle, and they're really good for showing beavers and cubs and even scouts that technique of using a fire steel. And over the years I've used it, and other people have used it. I've worked out that it's actually really good for people, disabled people, or people who are struggling with a grip. So something as simple as the fire steel sticks, say that with a mouthful, huh? They really work really well. Like I say, we've used it a few times for leaders, and people who are having trouble with their hands and holding a fire steel, they've done it so well, and they've said, Mark, we've struggled with the fire stills for years, and using the sticks have helped. But the Mel's for Wildly Curious UK, her fire lighting station, even better. Try it for yourself. Comment below, let me know if you tried it. And if you want some more fire lighting hacks and tricks, watch this playlist just here for some more ideas. Till next time, guys, take care. Don't forget, subscribe to Big Man in the Woods. See you later. Bye.